150.
Go ahead.
4500 block. East 40. It's going to be on that vehicle. Should return on a white F-150.
1026.
6504 still rolling.
On the track. 6504 traffic flight, westbound
Be advised, MCSO is converted on possible signal 1, westbound 46 Rebecca, east 40.
1031.
So around 26, notify OPD, have Air-1 call up.
1041, 1048.
Westbound.
10-4.
Westbound 25th Avenue.
Looks like
You got your code behind it. It's head on into traffic. We'll follow it. You'll cut your code behind it.
Sure 24/7 out of the units, all the way back. Don't get around on anybody. Yeah, there you go. Looks like they cut code around the 2000 block.
Marion copy.
1026.
426.
31019 area on westbound 3rd.
Actually just turned into a business there off of 40, 1410 east of Springs Blvd. Your next
Yeah,
load.
there's some 1410 east 40. I'm not sure if it pulled in or not.
There you go. I think we'll all be able to see her based on what we've got going, but just in case.
Alright, Kilo, you're going right to her right now.
This is the Marion County Sheriff's Office K-9 Unit! You are under arrest! You need to surrender right now, or I'm going to release this dog! You will get dog bit! She's passed out drunk. Cuff her up. I got my dog.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Turn
around, put your hands behind your back.
I'm not from here, motherfucker. That was Barack Obama. I'm not from here, bitch.
Good boy! Yes, sir.